So a disclaimer for this is it's not going to set on full-on psychedelic effects. You're not going to be seeing twirly whirlies or, flying through space. It's just kind of the come up is really what it feels like. Now with that being said, let's get into it. I'm going to do the meditation first and how to do it. Then I'm going to talk about it and explain how I figured it out and what it does. So I did you guys all the favor of recording me doing this, and then I realized you can't really see me doing this because I'm in the shower. And ooh. And so essentially what you want to do is you want to go into the shower and you want to turn that puppy hot. Now once you're feeling it warm, I want you to start putting the water on specific parts of your body. So the first spot is going to be in your lower abdomen area, just a little bit above your parts. I want you to hold the water there. It might be uncomfortable, and just hold it there until it feels comfortable. You're gonna go up and you're gonna straighten your neck to where it almost feels like a tube could go straight through you. And you're gonna go, oh. That was silly. And I want you to do that. Oh man, so much chest. For every single point that's about to come. And I want you to do that until you just feel good. So next, you're gonna move up to the solar plexus. And again, put the water right there. You're gonna feel probably a little bit gross, tired. You're gonna feel an array of emotions. What you're essentially doing is you're just bringing up a bunch of emotional gunk, a bunch of bad energy up that's been dormant for a bit, and you're cleansing yourself of it. So again, put that right there, the water, make it warm, make it hot. And as that's going, straighten yourself and just, oh. You can turn on the fan, play some music if it helps, if you think people are gonna think you're weird. Next, put it right here where your heart is, then ooh. Then you're gonna have to go to your throat. And this is when it gets kind of hard because the water is very hot. What I've found through this is to just focus on that area and just literally relax. Because when you tense up, it actually hurts more. The water will bug you a whole lot more when you're tense rather than when you are just calm. So then you're gonna do the throat. You're gonna have it right there and you're gonna ooh until it feels good. Don't rush this. Take your time. This meditation is meant to be a very relaxing, pure thing. It heals a lot and it feels phenomenal. Then, next is your face. And this is really hard for even me because it's hot water. And now it's not gonna do anything. It's not gonna hurt you. I mean, look at me. I just did it a little bit ago and I'm gorgeous. And what I want you to do is put your face in the hot water slowly. Take your time, of course. Don't just, it's gonna hurt. And once you feel comfortable, once you have a very relaxed face, just and keep your body straight. You want to feel again as if a tube can go in from the top of your head and go down. But for the others, I want you to raise your throat up as if the tube could go in through your mouth and all the way down. That sounds weird. Then, after you've done all of that, I want you to go out. I'm going to do this with you. Now you're going to stand. And you can either put your feet, right? Oh, hello. You can put your feet together or spread them out a little bit. You can't see. And then I want you to just slow bend down and grab your ankles. And then just lean forward. It's like a stretch for your legs and your lower back and your back in general. And just kind of calmly sit there for a bit. What's gonna happen is all the blood's gonna rush to your head, and if you're sensitive, you'll be able to feel spots that you need to move your head through. I'm sorry, my friends, I just got tired. And what you're gonna do is you're almost gonna feel your head move around. If you don't have the urges, don't do it, okay? And don't worry if you don't have urges to move your head into certain spots. That's nothing to worry about. It's just something I've noticed that happens to me every now and then. But after a bit, your legs are gonna go numb, or you're gonna start getting pins and needles. Don't go till your legs go numb, that's bad. And what I want you to do is very slowly rise up and keep your head down. Like as you're going, it should look like this. Going, folding, unfolding, 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 unfolding. Bah. You're going to get a head rush and it's gonna wash all the way down. And essentially it's going to feel like the come up of a psychedelic. You're going to get the fainting vision, your ears are going to start ringing, you're going to lose some hearing, and if it's strong, I suggest holding on to something. Whoa, JC, what the heck? You're just making me get in water and do a head rush. What? Well, I just told you how to do the meditation. Now I'm going to explain it a little bit. So before anything, I'm going to explain that head rush part. Essentially what's going on is you're relaxing yourself. You're cleansing yourself of a bunch of negative energy prior to this. That is going to put you in the psychedelic come up. Now what's so important about this psychedelic come up? Well, when you go into a psychedelic and you experience that, it's usually the come-ups for me in my past 2 experiences have been very pure blissful states. And when I experience this head rush, what I do is I actually sit down and start meditating, because I don't know how to describe the feeling. It's just very pure, very calm. It's a literal cleanse of the mind. And when you open your eyes, you're almost going to be confused. At least, again, this is anecdotal evidence. It was really hard to say. This is anecdotal evidence for my claims. You might have a total different experience. I don't know. I haven't talked to anyone about this. You might start feeling more urges to do things that you like, things that will benefit you for your life, your life purpose is really what it is. Now, how did I come up with this? Well, I have been getting very good at going into a trance-like state that I just kind of allow my body to do whatever it needs to do to heal itself and to clean itself. This can be from doing breath work and just being a bystander and observing what my body is doing, to yoga, to mudras. For that one, I literally just put myself in a trance-like state and just kind of let my body go on autopilot. And it just started to do that. The water would go, it just ooh until it felt good, and it kept doing that until the very end where I grabbed onto my ankles. And at this point, I was very confused. I was like, what is going on? Eventually, as my body came up, I understood. As the full cleanse happened, I felt phenomenal. I wanted to start making... It's actually after that I started making YouTube videos again. And I do believe this is a very strong meditation. I don't think beginners should do this, just because of the ending and how hard that is. Along with that, it's tough because you have to be used to being calm and relaxing those parts of the body that go in the water, even though it's hot, which is hard because our first instinct when we get in hot or cold water is to flex and just get out of there. You have to fight that knee-jerk reaction because that's a trained thing. You'll realize that you can be calm in anything, and I want you to train yourself to be calm. I covered what it does. I covered the backstory. Yeah, don't do the head rush part for a long time because we're all smart here and we all know that you will probably pass out if all the blood rushes to your head. And what's gonna happen? Whoop-de-whoop, you're grabbing your ankles and you're leaning forward naked and you're just gonna fall. And do you really want someone to come help you while you're naked on the floor and explain to them what you did? No. Oh yeah? I'm JC. That was fun. I hope you guys enjoy this one. I don't really know how it's going to affect other people, but I wish you guys the best. Peace. Enjoy.